TinyChefs. We are working our way through the rainbow, and today we are talking about yellow fruits and vegetables. So I just cut into this lovely yellow onion because I wanted you to be able to see that although it's called a yellow onion because of the peel, it's white inside. This is different than a white onion though. There's lots of different types of onions, the Dahlia onions, shallots. They all have their own distinct flavor. Scallions, that's another one that's actually a green and a white onion. But what I decided to show you was that it is part of the yellow color, and you want to always incorporate all different types of flavors into your diet and into your cooking. And so with onions, excuse me, they are full of vitamin B, antioxidants, especially when you eat them raw. So you can have onions in all different ways, right? Like you could saute them up, you can eat them raw into salads, you can put them in stews, and that makes them all have sort of like a different consistency and texture and flavor. So onions are one of the most potent flavors that I use in my cooking, and I actually love them a lot. This is our squash. Now, I got this from the grocery store, but this looks like a beautiful yellow squash. It's like bright in color. Now, you can see sometimes bigger squash and smaller squash. They say that the smaller they are, you want to buy them small because they just have a better flavor than the bigger ones. Not too sure why that is, but that's just something I learned along the way. But squash, this is one of the most healthy vegetables there are out there, okay? It has riboflavin, it has fiber, folate, magnesium, vitamins A, C, B6. So if you use these, again, you want to use them raw to get the best nutrients and with the skin on if you can. So you can cut them up and saute them. You can steam them, which is like the best because there's no added oils or anything like that. But you can put them in salads or you can cook them up. You can even mash and puree them. Great for baby food. Okay, moving on to our banana. So this is such a loaded with vitamins and nutrients for you. Really good for your heart, lowering your blood pressure. I have one of these a day. Great for your digestion, great for your skin, great for your cramps. I used to get like cramps in my feet, and this would take care of it. So I put it into smoothies. I dip it with peanut butter. I just have it on its own. You can mash them up, again, for baby food. One of the fun things that I learned was that this is not really the way to peel the banana. You want to peel the banana from back here. Yeah, something I didn't know until quite recently, but a little tip for you. Let's see. So this is a lemon, a citrus. I love to do this with my lemons to make it a little bit more juicy because a lot of times my lemons come and they're really firm. And if you were to squeeze a lemon just like that, you wouldn't get as much juice out. So if you go like this, it'll really release those juices. Whoa. And so with a lemon, you're obviously going to want to peel it. You can use the peel for scraping into, using like a little microplane and scraping it into dishes to give it more flavor, or you can use the rind in your espresso. But the benefits of these freshens your breath, aids with digestion, promotes hydration, and has vitamin C. So use a little citrus. I put it in my water every single morning. I use half a lemon in 16 ounces of water, and I do that about 3 times a day to aid with my digestion. So these are my yellow fruits and vegetables. I want you to incorporate these into your lifestyle if you see fit, and have fun.